My name is Tim Harp and I am the cloud engineer at DZ Bank. My team is at the forefront of the bank's digital transformation. Our primary strategic initiative has been to modernize our cloud infrastructure by migrating to a secure, scalable and automated platform on Google Cloud. This transformation is pivotal in enabling our development teams to deliver new digital services faster and prepare our institution for future innovations, including advanced AI capabilities. Our platform team's evolution from a manual gatekeeper to a strategic enabler was driven by the need to accelerate innovation. Our previous monolithic cloud model created significant administrative bottlenecks that slowed down our developers. By establishing a secure self-service paradigm, we empowered our development teams to build and deploy a digital service on Google Cloud with great speed and autonomy. This shift was essential to keep pace with the demand of the market and our customers. The main driver for this transformation was really about speed and empowerment. Our platform team role needs to evolve from being a manual gatekeeper to becoming a strategic enabler for our developers. The old way of doing things was creating bottlenecks that just weren't suitable as we scaled our digital services on Google Cloud. We needed our developers to be able to build and deploy new services with much more speed and autonomy. On the technical side, our original shared VPC architecture, with functional at first, was the source of these bottlenecks. As we grew, we started hitting some serious walls. For one, managing access and permissions became a huge administrative burden. We were approaching critical limits with our IAM model, which created a lot of manual work and complexity. Our security and network management also became incredibly challenging. Imagine having all your firewall rules for every single project managed in one giant monolithic set. We were also running out of IP addresses, which posed a real threat to our ability to scale. Furthermore, we couldn't probably implement the granular service-level security policies, what we call microsegmentation, that are so critical for our zero-trust security model. We simply didn't have the fine-grained control we needed. Ultimately, these technical limitations were holding our business back. We had to find a new way forward, and that led us to a modern hub-and-spoke architecture built around Google Cloud's Network Connectivity Center. It was the key to unlock the speed and security we needed. For a project of this magnitude, we prioritized stability and security over raw speed, adopting a phased greenfield strategy. This meant we built our new modern network environment alongside the old one and migrated applications gradually. While the full migration was a deliberate, multi-phase process, the results in terms of speed have been transformative. Our new automated workflow has been reduced developer onboarding time by an impressive 85% from 1 week down to a single day. The partnership with Google was fundamental to our success. This wasn't just a client-vendor relationship, it was a deep technical collaboration. We worked closely with the Google Cloud team to design a new hub-and-spoke architecture and implement the secure Google Cloud landing zone. A great example of this is our custom cloud workstation setup, where we built our own secure Docker images on top of Google's pre-configured base images. This close partnership ensured that we could leverage the full power of Google's technologies while meeting the stringent security and compliance requirements of the financial services industry. The benefits we've achieved have been truly significant and measurable across the board, impacting our efficiency, cost, and of course, our security posture. From an efficiency standpoint, the results are remarkable. We have seen a 70% reduction in our operational toil for our platform team. What this means is we have automated away many of these repetitive manual tasks involving in network management, freeing up our expert engineers to focus on more strategic work. This efficiency gain extends directly to our developers. Their onboarding process, which used to take a full week of manual steps, can now be completed in just a single day. That's an 85% improvement in the time it takes to get them productive. And underpinning all of this is a vastly enhanced security posture. This new architecture is so foundational to our Zero Trust strategy, allowing us to implement true workload isolation and maintain a much simpler, more secure approach to access management. We are not just moving faster and more cost effectively, we are doing it more securely. This network transformation is a critical enabler for our future AI and machine learning initiatives. The architecture will allow us to create secure and isolated innovation VPCs for our data science teams. By using tools like VPC service controls, we can build a secure perimeter around services like Vertex AI. This ensures that sensitive data and proprietary models remain protected, giving our teams the confidence to experiment and innovate with cutting-edge AI technologies in the future.